Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. So we're gonna jump right into it, guys. I have $20 here. We're using this 6-sided die to tell us which challenge gets the monies. It feels so weird being back and recording, guys. It has been a hot minute. I just recorded my mini Mondays. I'm kind of recording back to back here to make sure I get these videos posted and get caught up with everything. So how are y'all doing? How's your Tuesday going? I hope y'all are having an amazing week so far. I hope that everyone filed their taxes and that everyone got returns, okay? That you didn't owe any, I hope. Fingers crossed for you. Okay, that went fast. These two did not get any today, so this one is by Budget with Amanda. And this one didn't get anything today. And then this one is by Overthinking and Budgeting. That one also didn't get anything today. So let's see what we got here with these other challenges. Okay, this first one was my little Easter carrot, and I can't remember. I think each one of these is just 1, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So we just needed $1 to finish this today and make it 8. So let me color in this last little circle here. And all of these tiny challenges are going towards Aria's sinking funds for the month of May. So we finished this one on 4/14 and we have $8. All right. So this one will go in our finished challenges bag. Next, we have this one by Cash Money Budgets. Now each of these little spacecrafts is $2. So we had 1 here remaining, and we just need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have an extra $1 here. So we are finishing this one as well. Cute little bunny in space. This bunny must have superpowers because it doesn't have a helmet on. It must be able to breathe without oxygen. Super bunny. All right. So we should have $14 here. Let's see what we have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Perfect. So we finished this on 4/14 with $14. And that is going in our finished challenges bag. I feel like this month is going to be rough, guys, because I was gone. I didn't do anything last week as far as saving, and I'm not gonna catch up, guys, because I've had just it's been a bad month financially. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, this one is by CBA Mom Saves. She just sent me this in some happy mail, so we're gonna use it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 here, and we finished it, and we're going to cross out these flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to say that we finished it on 4/14, $5. Yay. You know, $5 is $5. All right. There we go. And then we have this new one by Wild Everest Co. I think I'm going to make each one of these boxes 2, but look how cute this little bunny ears is with this bow. Perfect for Easter. Okay, we have 2, 4, 6, no, what am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, you guys. So we can finish this one too. Okay, I'm going to grab this purpley. I'm not coloring precisely, guys. I'm sorry. I don't have the patience today. I feel like I'm still getting caught up from being gone all last week. I have a lot of things that I want to get done around the house and with my my Etsy store and all that. So trying to kind of hurry through this, but okay, oops, I forgot to write. We saved $8 with Wild Everest Co. All right, so that's another challenge done. This is why I love Tinies, because you just feel like you're accomplishing so much. We finished 4 challenges today. Yes. Okay, and then I have $3 here. Let's see what we can do. I think I'm going to put them with these little bunnies here. This challenge by Budget with Amanda. So we have 3 and we're adding that to 3 and we have 6 total. So let's fill in 3 more bunnies. This cute little tiny challenge that Amanda made. There's 2 and there is 3. Alrighty, y'all, that is it for this Tiny Tot Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll see you tomorrow for our Scratch and Save Debt Binder. Bye.